Hello, my beautiful besties. Happy Wednesday and welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi and we are making another flower today to go with the two that we did on Monday. And as you can see, I'm using a different brush. It's more round and pointy. The one I was using on Monday was flat and rounded at the tip, but not coming to a point like this one does. So we're using this brush because we want to make pointy little petals, and having a pointy tip kind of facilitates that. Once I get these petals the way I like them, I'm going to go ahead and flash cure those. So when I put the last two on, I'm not messing those up because I'm really good at that. Okay, I'm actually, dipping out of frame a tiny bit. That is going to happen a little bit in this video. I do apologize. And I did mess that petal up a little cleaning up, but a little extra work coming in made it all better. We're going out for the flash cure. Well, that's flash curing. How are you guys doing today? I really hope everyone's wonderful. I hope everything is fabulous, and that even with the struggles we are all facing at this time, that you are keeping a smile on that beautiful face. Now we're coming back in, and I'm going to zoom in a little, which maybe I shouldn't have, because I do end up dipping out of frame again. But I know you besties are going to forgive me and love me with all your heart, so thank you for that. Oops, all the way out of frame now, all the way out of frame. But there she is. That's the base of the flower. Now I've completely cured that, and what I'm doing, I've cleaned off that same brush, and I'm coming in with some of that darker pink in the middle just to give this flower two shades. And I suppose this probably could have been accomplished with a one-stroke technique, but I have yet to learn that technique for this type of flower, so I'm just doing my own thing. How about that? I am going to practice more with the one stroke though, because that, I watched a video yesterday. I cannot remember the girl's name. She's a beautiful blonde Russian girl, and I am obsessed with her nails. I'll find her channel and link it down for you. I have linked her before. She is a way bigger channel than I am, so I'm sure you guys know who I'm talking about. I want to say it's Danica or something. I forget exactly her name. Over time, the names stick in my head, but if I'm being honest, I suck at names. I didn't say what I was doing. I'm sorry. I was just adding some white and black dots in the middle to give that flower some little stamens and stuff, which I'm pretty sure that's what those little things are that have the pollen and stuff. I think those are stamens. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section below. I do like to garden, but by no means am I a horticulturist. I'm pretty sure that's correct. Now I'm coming in and just lining a little. I'm not doing a full outline, just a little on one side, a little on the other, one on the bottom, one at the top, to just sort of give, you know how the petals will sort of fold a little and move a little and be different. I know I'm not really pulling that off, but I'm trying. Now I'm just coming in with a few more little swooshes of color coming through. We did the white, now we're coming in with that black, just to give it a little detail, Now on these last two nails, all I'm going to do is add some swirls, because like I said in Monday's video, your girl needs to work on those curved lines. Okay, I need to keep it curvy, so I have no choice in my own life to keep it curvy because it got some booty and stuff, but in the nail world, I still have not gotten down the trick of making perfect curved lines, so I'm going to keep practicing. And what ends up happening for me as I practice is that it just all of a sudden clicks, right? All the information and the probably hours of practice all come together to just click. And it's like, oh, this is what I'm supposed to do. And then all of a sudden I'm doing it right. So if you're like me and you really struggle with some aspect of nail art or regular art or anything in your life, don't give up. That reminds me, yesterday, I've really been trying trying is a shit word. I have been putting in a lot of effort to get my yoga game back on point. I fell off for a lot of reasons that we're not going to get into, but I have really been putting in the effort. And yesterday, I got brave enough to try to do crow pose. And if you don't know what that is, Google it. It is a difficult pose, and I would say it's verging into advanced. And I wasn't able to hold it for a long time, but I did it like 3 or 4 times, and each time I was able to stay for 2 or 3 seconds. And that is really a huge accomplishment for me. So no matter what it is that you are trying to accomplish, please don't give up on yourself. Almost nobody does anything perfect the first time they try. And if you're giving up on yourself because you tried something one time, you're really letting yourself down. So please, please don't do that. Please keep trying no matter what it is. Maybe you want to be a writer and you can't write. Maybe you want to be a singer and you can't sing. Get lessons. Take a class. Keep practicing. Look up YouTube videos. Whatever you have to do. It's okay to suck first because you're developing yourself, and that's important. Okay, so now all the swirls are starting to come together. On that black nail, I felt like I wanted the pink, but after watching the video, honestly, I feel like I'd done the white. I feel like I wish I had done the white, but I really love these swirls with the 2 colors together. I really responded to this, and I am a swirl girl. I really love swirls. If you see my apartment, a lot of the decorations that I choose are very swirly in pattern and design. We're coming in with top coat now. These are the 2 nails from Monday. I just decided, why not leave it in there? So that way you can see the whole set together. And I'm doing this at regular speed just so you can enjoy the top coating. Personally, that's my favorite part of any nail video is the top coating. Let me know in the comment section. You know my questions. Would you wear these? Do you like them? Do you love them? Are they awesome? Are they great? Let me know. Do you hate them? Are they horrible? Let me know. Whatever comment you want to leave, I want to hear about it. Please engage with me. It helps my channel. While you're down there, there's some buttons you can click, click, click. Speaking of singing, I didn't realize how I had caught this little piece of me singing something nonsensical and ridiculous. I'm going to leave it at the end of this video right before I do the reveal shots. Be sure that you stick around for that because it's pretty funny. Here's the finished set, all top coated and cured, shiny and beautiful. I honestly think this would probably look cute with a matte top coat as well. And I wish I'd worked a little harder on my swirls. But that's what this was, a practice set. All my work is really practice, trying to hone my craft. And thank you guys so much for sharing this time with me and coming by my channel. I really do appreciate it. You guys are the best. And I will see you on Friday. Bye. I just gotta get that shit out of my head, 'cause I don't know the words, I always gotta make it up. Ow! Hurry, hurry.